This brand is a part of Gibraltar Industries and offers both roof-mount and gable-mounted models, but the guarantee on the units is not very good when compared to other brands. The units do not use a thermostat, which means that, whenever the sun is out, the units are running. This would be acceptable in very warm areas but not in areas where a portion of the year requires heating the home. The SC8 model is roof-mounted and has an 800 CFM capacity, and the panel can be tilted and rotated to maximize the solar gain, while the 9025 TR model has a capacity of 1820 CFM. The NPSG8 model is gable-mounted with an 800 CFM capacity, while the 1125 APV model has a 1680 CFM capacity. The units are only available through their approved contractor network. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.